Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Oh damn, I look like crap. Need a shave, shower, haircut. Anyway, this is your first time into my channel. I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got 3 300Z twin turbos, R32 Skyline, a Nissan Hardbody, an MR2, and yes baby, I just picked up an S15 Silvia. So yeah, if you are 21 and younger, stop, watch a cab video, because being a car enthusiast is absolutely detrimental to your financial health. This one made a gigantic hole in my wallet. It hurts, but I had to do it. I found a good deal, and this is a 99. More videos coming on that, but right now I gotta rush because first I gotta put these plates on. I gotta go to my mechanic, get a safety done, then go to the ministry, attach these plates to the car. I already have insurance from Haggerty. I'm an avid Haggerty customer. And then, yeah, and I got about an hour and some, so hopefully, wish me luck. Now, over here is, of course, this car is blocked. The Z needs to come down where it belongs, and then I'll have more space. So, first off, I'm gonna start. Ooh, don't bang on the Z. I'm gonna start the Silvia so that there's a little bit heat in the engine. And then while this idles, whisper quiet. Man, this is stock. Like when I say stock, like one of the stockest of the stock. Factory wheels stock. Anyway, time to start the Z. Matt, I'm coming towards you. I know you said you're gonna be in the shop, but you better be in the shop. Matt is a friend of mine, also my mechanic. He lives very close to where I live and just makes everything convenient for everybody. I'm just gonna use gravity and come down. All right, we're here. I'm gonna start the turbo timer. 3 minutes. Keys out. The car will idle for 3 minutes and die down by itself. I hate starting the cars and just killing it without, warming it up for a bit. Just my pet peeve. Let's see if I can also do an oil change. I'll take some oil with me. Okay, so went to Matt's shop. He is extremely swamped. He is actually working with the Sentra and fighting with demons. I really felt bad for him. He's just pulling his hair on that Sentra. Apparently some Nissan electrical bugs. I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. Okay, I am gonna turn the AC on. Yeah, that's what I mean. I just turned the AC on because AC works. Yeah, I just wanted to take you guys on a first drive impression. So how does it drive? Honestly, the car with 206,000 kilometers, I was hoping the suspension, you expect a certain amount of things from the suspension. No, it drives like it has 100,000. So now I'm just getting out of the place that's where my thing is, floored it. It gets up and go, it gets out of its way, but it's not gonna break any world record or anything like that. It is what it is. It's a cruiser. It's perfect, absolutely perfect for my wife. I think I'm gonna wrap it or paint it or do something about it. It'll be bright orange. Yeah, bright orange. She's not gonna like that color. She wants purple. How does it drive? It drives great. It actually drives great. The guy I bought the vehicle from, this car arrived in Canada about 6 days prior to me purchasing it. And actually his name is also 26 kilometers from my house, and he said, you know what, I haven't gone through the car. If you want to drive it, go for it. It idles good, it drives good. He drove it around the block. I drove it around the block. It drives fine, but it's just, his concern was because he hasn't driven it, or it hasn't been looked through or gone through, he was not comfortable telling me that I can do the 125 kilometer drive. And I said, you know what, you are talking to a world-class idiot, so I'm gonna do it. And I did it, and it was fantastic. There is a little bit of vibration between 100 and, it's around 110, and it probably could be a flat spot on the tire or blah blah blah. It's from the drive on the right front corner of the vehicle, and the tires, which I knew, he told me the tires are not in good shape, which is totally acceptable for that kind of vibration to actually come. And I wasn't concerned about the tires. I got tires, I'll just swap them out. I actually will swap out to a better rim, which pushes the wheels out just a little bit so it sits flush with the body, so that the factory rim can use about an inch of offset outside. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, and hopefully that will make it look better. It will make it look better. It goes through the gears well. Between first and second, there's a little, if you're not careful or whatever, sometimes it does a little hiccup. Well, I'm not going to use the word hiccup. It kind of hits a little harder, but it's so minimal. It's almost useless to talk about it. So yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna say it's fine. AC works really good, man. Wow. I think I'm gonna raise the temperature a bit because I'm cold now. As I said, it's an SR20D. It doesn't really have much guts or get up or whatever. What to do now? I'm gonna do some basic maintenance, basic repairs, which new filter, new spark plugs. It needs an oil change. Matt told me to do an oil change right away. I should, but I'm out driving. Now, here's the thing. Registering a right-hand drive in Ontario. First off, Matt imported it and he registered it right away in his name, and I did not want it to go through the registration of your name, blah blah blah. Let him do it. He has done it a million times. He knows exactly how it works. Let the man do the job that he knows. So I'm totally fine with it. Now what I need to do to register an older vehicle in Ontario, because it's a 99, which is over 20 years old, I need an appraisal. So I just met my neighbor right before doing the video, while I was backing up. When I started the video, I was basically backing up from his shop. So he gave me an appraisal. So I need an appraisal and I need safety. So the other Matt, which is my mechanic friend, he told me to drop it off in his shop Tuesday night. Wednesday morning he will give me the safety. I don't think it needs anything other than wheels and tires, which I will either I will change it myself or I will drop it off with him. Let's see. I may even do it today. I got some time in my hand today. Yeah, that's all it needs, and then I'll drive it. You know what? My plan is to daily it this season until it snows. I like it. I actually like it that much. The best thing is it takes 87. Yeah, it takes 87. And the other thing is the fuel economy is jaw-dropping. It's a 2-liter NA. It's a super economical vehicle. It's outstanding how, I think yesterday on the highway I was doing about 20. I think I got 6.5, maybe 7 liter per 100 kilometers, which is wow. So yeah. Anyway, the next video I'm going to be doing a walk around of the vehicle. I really should do that. I want to show you how fantastic of a job I did of buying this, and then we're gonna talk about what it needs for safety. I don't think it will need anything, but you know, I don't want to, when it comes to the safety stuff, I don't mess around with it. I do it the way it's supposed to be done because my family will be in the vehicle, and it is my utmost important to make sure we're safe. So we will keep it that way. Hit the like and subscribe button and the notification for more videos coming on this. More videos coming on the Skyline, and also more videos coming on the Z. The Z is gonna go back to Dan. Dan's gonna do a little bit sprinkle of a little bit more magic. The Skyline is getting some big boy upgrades. It's big. It's the size of my head. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. This drives really good. I just took a corner. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, and I will see you